Hello everyone, I am Aditya Maheshwari. I was a commerce student at Anand Niketan Shilaj. I secured All India 152 rank in CLAT in the general category and first rank in the PWD category. My journey of CLAT began in August 2021. I was always interested in public affairs of the country and around the world, and thus I sought to pursue a career through CLAT. I used to give 1 to 2 mocks per week of CLAT, and I used to devote 2 to 3 more hours per mock to analyze my mistakes in the mock and to learn from them. The faculty of Ekoching was very supportive throughout. They were like guiding angels throughout my journey. They always used to boost my morale and they used to back me when I felt low. They created an amazing and a very student-friendly environment for all students at Ekoching. The environment that they created aligned perfectly with my goals and aspirations, as well as with the aspirations of my fellow students. The blend of these factors, the support of the faculty, the morale boost they gave me, the support of my friends and family, and the personal self-confidence that I cultivated over the month eventually led to my selection at NLSIU. So I would heartily like to thank everyone who was involved with me in this journey, who made this journey very, very seamless. From my side, I would like to wish every one of you, every future CLAT aspirant, all the very best. I hope to see you all at NLSIU. Thank you.